Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI 12T Pro to an Android device. First of all, you need to open Play Store on both. Now click on the search bars, type and send anywhere, and after that install this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to operate the net, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. Then do exactly the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Finally, if you wish to, you can tap on Not Now in this pop-up and close it by tapping on OK. Then select Receive over here at the bottom of your Android and Send at the bottom left corner of your XIAOMI. Finally, tap on all of those type of dots from all of those categories. And when you finish, click Send over here. This way you will select all of them and transfer them later on. It will take a long time though to transfer all of those, so I will go with only one. Choose Send and tap on Got it. Now on an Android, click on the best option for you. I will go with No Thanks, and then select Close this window. As you can see from here, we have two connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!